see the train tracks, bro.
Dude, yeah.
Dude, it cuts through the mountains.
I think so.
I'm pretty sure like we're standing on top of the road.
Garden of the Gods, bro. Oh, what the? There's a house. Glorious location.
Oh, the Jesus!
Damn, bro, we're in Jerusalem. we made it. We made it.
to the bottom.
Yo.
Waking up in the morning, be like,
dude, these giant rocks, bro. And there's some random house right here. For real, we're about to go into their window at the industrial
titties, bro.
Beautiful, man. Damn. Bro, what the hell? Oh, I thought this was like wood or something. Just a
Did you
rock.
see somebody staring back at you?
Damn, it's like eroded so satisfyingly.
Yeah, dude, I wonder how. Wow, no, that might be a freeway.
These rocks are amazing. Yeah, that must be the 118 over there. There's another view.
Oh, you know, big ass bug.
Oh, what the? They got some wild bugs out here, bro. Damn. Good lighting. Good view, too, bro. Sick spot, man. Yo. Damn! Bruh, these battle scars already.
Light work, bro.
From the Garden of the Gods, bro.
They tried to take me. I said, no, not today. They said, come up there. I said, no, not today. It's all good.
Cool shot.
You see all those houses? You see all those houses over there, those apartments, big ass apartments.
No, yeah. Can't believe this place is just nestled in such an urban area, for real.
Dude, nestled is such a wide word. Because like, it literally is, bro. It's really like a big ass city, and in the middle of it's just some place of like fucking like just nature, bro.
Yeah, no, it's like nestled in. These rocks are pretty cool too. Yo, oh, my hair's all wild. Me and Arthur just got to location 2 before the show. There's a abandoned railroad track up there, so we're gonna go check that out. We don't really know how to get there though, but yeah, this is, yeah, we're gonna break in.
Sorry.
Chatsworth. This is Chatsworth North Park. Pretty nice. Some random. Just went under that fence, bro. Hopefully we don't get arrested.
I feel like somebody over there.
Dude, well, they probably did the same thing, so I think we'll try and go in that gap over there. This place is beautiful. Yo, oh fuck, dude, gate in the ground, bro. Dude, I know, right? Dude, I can't believe there's 2 layers of gates. Damn, you can't see in the video, but they knew we were coming, bro. Can't, not even this gate in the ground can stop us. All right, success.
Dude, it's gonna suck so hard if my pants get caught and I end up on one of those videos.
Oh, bro, I'll jump cut it. I'll jump cut it. I got you, bro. Damn, some construction going on around here, I guess. What the hell? Oh, nice. My turn. This place is awesome. Successfully climbed the gate.
Did you see a train go by?
Oh my god, dude. Yeah. Whoa. That looks awesome. Why is there security though? Oh. Call back to earlier. You can see that red car that we were looking at.
Oh, this is literally the same track.
That's so cool, bruh. Here is Chatsworth. Actually, not Chatsworth. I gotta gatekeep this place. It's Worthington Chatterstone State Park and Railroad. What the
That's right. Good now.
The girls looking hot, hit the photo and we just don't stop. Party until the morning light.
Arthur, bro, his work just called. Fuck, did they call him into work right now? Bruh. Oh my god.
I can do that.
Alright, me and Arthur gotta head back. Rip. Goated spot though, but yeah, we gotta head to the show now. Dude, bro really created his own path and moved the branches, bro.
Trying to stop us, but they can't, bro.
Crazy strats.